We'll guide you through how to make a Word document on a mobile phone. That could be an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So to get started, we need to go and get an app. So open up the App Store, you can click on search and you want to go and search for Word, like so, and here it is. You want to go and download it. When it's finished, you can then go and open it up like so. You can go and tap on sign up for free if you're yet to have a Microsoft account, or you can just go and sign in. Choose if you want notifications, and we can now go and get started. So you've got the home at the bottom, the create page, and the files page as well. In this case, we'll go and create a blank document, and what you can do is go and start making your document. At the bottom, you've got the different formatting tools. You can press the three dots to the right and change the font and different things like that. And then at the top, you've got some different buttons like undo as well. To go and save your document, tap the three dots in the top right, and you can tap save, and you can choose where you want to go and save it, like so. And what you can also do is go and share it and send it to people by pressing the three dots in the top right. You can tap send a copy, choose a Microsoft Word document, and you can then send it. You could also go and save it to your files as well, like so. You can go and find it in your files as you can see. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more. Thank you for watching.